Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'm sharing a real-life car story from the auto industry. It's about the Ford Pinto, a small car that became infamous for a major safety flaw. Buckle up because it's a tale of cost-cutting, controversy, and corporate ethics gone wrong. In the early 1970s, Ford introduced the Pinto, aiming to compete with small, affordable cars from the overseas.
It had a rear-wheel drive layout with transmission options including a 4-speed manual and a 3-speed automatic.
It offered several engine options, a 1.6-liter, 2-liter and a 2.3-liter inline 4. It was priced around $2,000. Overall, it's a nice, good-looking car. It quickly became popular, but there was a major safety flaw hidden beneath the design. The Pinto's fuel tank was placed behind the axle, a common design back then. But during the crash test, it was discovered that the tank could easily rupture in a rear-end collision, leading to big fires, really big ones. Despite knowing about the defect, Ford decided not to redesign the fuel tank. Why? Because they calculated it would be cheaper to pay the lawsuit than fixing the issue. As tragic accidents and casualties started to occur, lawsuits piled up. The most famous case was between Grimshaw and Ford Motor Company, where a young boy named Richard was severely burned in a Pinto fire. The jury awarded him over $2.5 million in damages. This case brought worldwide attention to the safety issues of the Pinto. It was publicly revealed that their decision not to fix the problem was purely based on saving money. The controversies made Ford to recall 1.5 million Pintos, making it one of the largest recalls in the history. They eventually improved the fuel tank design, but the damage to reputation was done. I think it's a very good looking car and has a great potential, but this issue destroyed it all. That's it for today's video. If you found this car story interesting, consider subscribing to my channel and give it a thumbs up. Hit the bell icon to get notified for more fascinating car stories. Thanks for watching. I will see you all in the next video.